Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be creating this Eid special makeup look. So if you wanna know further, so keep on watching. After my cleansing and toning routine, it is time for some moisturizer. So here I am using this Joy Pure Aloe Multi Benefit cream, and it is a very light moisturizer for oily skin people, and so you need a very good base to hold on your makeup. So here I am starting with CTM routine. After moisturizer, I'm applying a primer. This is from Urbancolor range of Modicare. You really need a primer for your makeup to hold on, and it creates a smooth canvas to play with. So for concealing, I'm gonna use this ColorEssence Panstick in the shade Natural Brown. So I prefer to do my concealing before the foundation part, as it helps to lock my concealer in its place and doesn't look cakey after few hours. So after concealing my face, I'm gonna be blend it with the beauty blender, and I'm gonna dab it and take my time to blend it. The only method is to blend perfectly. So after concealing, I'm gonna do the eye makeup first. You guys all know this trick, so now I'm gonna apply this tape from the corner of my eyes to maintain eyeshadow line, and I'm not that pro in that eyeshadow game, so it helps me. So for eyeshadow, I have chosen this Revolution Flawless palette, and this is a really versatile palette, I must say. So here I am using this soft glow color from the palette as a base of my eye makeup. So as a transition color, I'm using this pure chocolate shade from the palette. I'm gonna blend it all over my crease line like this. So now I'm using this red night color from the palette from my outer corner to my inner corner. So now to fill in the eyelids, I'm using this middle color from the palette. To define my eyebrows, I'm using this APK Gel Liner in the shade brown. As eyeliner, I'm using this L18 Blackout liner, and I'm gonna create a quick winged. So after having my both eyes done, I'm gonna quickly remove this tape from my eyes. For my base, I'm using this Maybeline Fit Me foundation in the shade 322 Warm Honey. I'm gonna dab this on all over my face and neck like this. So for blending, I'm using a beauty blender and taking my time to blend it because the only method is to blend perfectly. So for contouring or highlighting, I'm using this Fit Me Concealer in the shade medium Moyen. So here I am highlighting my under eye and I'm gonna contour as well. So here I am using this Lakme rose powder to bake my under eye and my base to keep that in place. Using this Miss Clear Lip Cream in the shade 10. So I know this is weird painting your lips in the middle of the makeup, but it helps me to visualize my makeup look. So now I'm dusting off all the baking powder I have on my face right now. So I'm gonna use this L18 Kohl pencil to line my lower lash line. So here I have taken the black eyeshadow from the palette to set my kajal and also to smudge it out. So here I am using this Maybeline Colorshow blush in the shade Fresh Coral, and I'm gonna apply it all over the apple of my cheeks like this. using this Miss Clear Shimmer Peaks in the shade number 2, and I'm gonna highlight my high-end face areas. Don't forget to highlight your brow bones. It really looks great in the pictures. Applying some highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes.
White hair makeup.
So hope you like the Eid special makeup tutorial. Do let me know your views in the comment section below, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel and click that bell button icon too to stay updated whenever I post a video. So yeah, and also please inform me about what kind of makeup tutorial or looks you wanna see next. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.